Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to present to you the release notes of Boyum IT's Beas Manufacturing 2023.02. In this version, we're introducing usability improvements, new events in Beas script, we have added a new field in batch calculation, adapted the definition into an integration with Productmax WMS, and improved the price definition of the product configurator. Let's see all these in detail. Beas browse windows now features 3 new improvements. A single left mouse click on a line number opens the related document to edit. Tooltip helps the user over all column headers to ensure readability for all field names that have been downsized by the user for a better overview. 3 dots appear at the end of the description field when only a truncated part of the description is visible. Now the stock revaluation process in Beas allows to enter the tax date. In the previous versions, only valuation date was allowed and tax date was always saved as the current date. In the new field, it is possible to register these 2 dates fields. Before, Beas rounded all prices to 2 decimals in the product configurator. Now the system rounds all prices to the value defined in SAP General Settings for the num decimal of prices. On the right, you can see configurator prices rounded to 6 decimal values. As part of the Beas WMS integration, we are introducing a new functionality. Now you can define a WMS best before date value for Beas bill of materials positions. The 3 values come from WMS and they can be set up in the item master data of an assembly. Then, when a work order is created, the default values defined in the BOM master data are copied to the work order BOM definition. Those values then can be modified for any specific work order to have different values than the standard. The field is hidden by default and can only be made visible after manual selection in the Windows settings of the function. Please note that the selected value can only be applied during the picking for production process in WMS, and that is only available in the bill of materials and work order bill of materials browse forms. We have added 2 new events with which you can manage manual batch determination. The manual batch determination before event is activated before the manual batch selection screen is displayed. The user can change the dist number and also decide if the screen should allow the end user to type the batch or skip the screen. Similarly, the manual batch determination after event is activated after the manual batch selection screen is displayed. The user has the possibility to change the dist number. For further examples and variable descriptions, please visit our Beas script documentation page. The Beas work order structure view can now display WMS reservations without assigned bin location information. In this case, the WMS picking list reservations do not contain bin code information. When a pick list is created, it is displayed with the transfer icon in the Beas work order structure. When the pick list is in not ready status, the work order structure does not display the location. According to our release roadmap, our next version will be 2023.04 to be released at the end of April 2023. This concludes the summary of our fixes and improvements of Beas Manufacturing 2023.02. Thank you for watching this video and please contact us concerning any questions.